Hello everyone, today I gonna unpack Adata UC300 memory stick, and I'm gonna make some close-up shots and I show the quality and I make a little bit testing. So it's not expensive memory stick, so let's see the internet what we're gonna find. There is a blue and green. I think they are actually the same, but color preference more like. I like the black and green more. So let's see, 100 megabytes, probably reading, not the writing speed. So you can put behind the phone as well. And there is a different sizes as well. I have the 64 gigabyte. So let's see the official PDF. Okay, let's try the booting computer and let's test a little bit. Let's put something in there and see how fast it's going. Now it's back. So I have one file, so it's movie file 1.5 gigabytes, and let's see how fast it's going. To reading computer to my memory stick, yeah, it's take time. It's huge file as well, but of course same time I want to make another test as well using the Crystal Disk Mark program. So but before we watch how it's that speed test going. Now it's okay, done. Let's move back. Okay, it was like almost instant, maybe because it was before the file there, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna make a teardown and open up, and sometimes I'm gonna make some speed test as well. In the corner you're gonna see the speed test, what is a little bit speed up, and sometimes I'm trying to open and what's inside the memory stick. Inside are plastic parts, nothing very special. Of course, the first try I opened up, it was tricky to put back. The second shot I managed to put together. Yeah, first I didn't remember what side it actually was. Of course, that kind of design, like pop up, you can hide the Type-C plug, is quite nice, but I have like a little bit problem as well, what I'm gonna show you end of the video. Let's put it back, and same time I think that my speed test is already finished. I made a second speed test as well, what I gonna compare here. It's almost the same. So my memory stick is now attached and working. I am gonna show what I don't like that memory stick. So what I don't like, if you push too much, then it can pop inside, and maybe in the future when plastic parts is loose, then it's not very nice. But yeah, that was my video. Thank you watched, and don't forget to like video if you like my video. Bye.